Welcome to Dynamics for Membership, the complete solution for membership management in Microsoft Dynamics 365 for finance and operations. Dynamics for Membership is the first comprehensive IT system for the marketing and management of membership organizations. It enables you to replace a patchwork of piecemeal solutions with one robust, integrated and durable system. By doing so, you can better service your members and strengthen your bond with them. Dynamics for Membership has a fresh, user-friendly front end, an online portal where your members or affiliated organizations will feel instantly at home. It is coupled with professional back office, and it makes it easier to manage all your memberships. From complex invoicing to campaigns, all the essential functionality is combined in one system. With a well-oiled and integrated IT system, you make it as easy as possible for your members. On top of that, correct and up-to-date information is always ensured. Whereas before different departments had to maintain records, sometimes even on paper, organizations will now have access to centralized data source. This means also a reduced chance of errors and greater efficiency. Dynamics for Membership is based on well-known Microsoft Dynamics solutions. Microsoft Dynamics 365 for finance and operations for enterprise resource planning, and Microsoft Dynamics CRM for customer relationship management, marketing, sales and service. We have developed extra modules especially for membership organizations. These modules join seamlessly together with Microsoft Dynamics and Microsoft Office. Dynamics for Membership is designed for medium and large organizations with members, subscribers, contract holders or other types of memberships. It is a solution that can find its application in sport organizations such as federation, fitness and sport clubs. Also for commercial membership organizations that are dealing with subscription, contracts, events or training. Those could be, for example, leasing companies or any company that has its own subscriber, community or fan base. Dynamics for Membership is a valuable solution for interest groups such as patient associations or consumer or elderly organizations. It can also find its application in professional associations such as trade unions or trade associations, or charity and voluntary organizations, those that deal with fundraisings and event organization. It can also find its application in a variety of other membership organizations, national or international, or any organization that has contractual relationship with their customers. So what is that makes DFM such a valuable solution for membership organizations? Dynamics for Membership makes customer and case management easy. It enables member administration, pricing and discount management, and case or complaints management. It also provides tool for member analysis. DFM solution supports trial membership and promotions. It provides tools for retention management and also family group or organization subcontract management. Apart from customer and contract management, another pillar of DFM solution is learning and events support. Dynamics for Membership supports events management, attendee administration, waiting list management, order management, attendee rollover, and accreditation and qualification management. Dynamics for Membership provides tools for revenue management, financial administration, and invoicing. It is capable of handling large volume of invoices and orders. It enables periodic or batch processing and supports digital invoicing. For easier data management, Dynamics for Membership also offers add-ons and supporting features through human resource and self-service system. Users can set up and create customized dashboard. All the processes are linked to employees, and there is an audit trail of every activity that is done through the system. On top of that, there is a self-service system in the form of portals for individual members and organization managers. Dynamics for Membership is a solution that can also be integrated with other legacy systems, a service desk for example. Let me introduce some of the contract management features of Dynamics for Membership product. A typical scenario would be to handle memberships for family members. Here we have Baker family, where members are 2 adults and 2 children. Tom recently bought a membership for the whole family worth €1,000. This kind of membership enables other family members to get discounted prices on their own personal memberships. Now Ashley, Tom's spouse, wants to get her own contract, but as a member of the family, she should get a discount. If we have Ashley on the phone requesting her membership, to create a contract I first need to select Ashley's record. I will search her in Active Persons list. I will type in her name, press enter, and then select Ashley. If I click on Contracts, I'll see that there aren't any. Let us create a new basic membership contract for Ashley. I will click on New, and Create Contract dialog will open. I need to select the order code, so I will start typing the ID of my basic membership. Once I select it, some of the fields will be populated based on the setup of the order code. Notice how the system populates the contract period, which is the duration of the contract, and invoicing period, which is the interval the contract should be invoiced. The system will also immediately populate the contract price for regular members. However, Ashley is a member of the Baker family, so to make sure Ashley gets discount price on her contract, I will indicate family ID. I will select the Bakers from the list. Notice how price group is now populated, and price is calculated based on that price group. Now, regular price for regular membership would be €300, but since Ashley is a member of the family that already has active family membership, she will only have to pay a small fee of €2 for her membership card. In case I run an organization with a lot of branches, I can select a specific branch as well in the organization field. I will select this one, number 7. Once I finish set all these parameters up, I can click on OK to confirm the contract, and the contract will be created. To collect Ashley's payment, we need to invoice her. Normally, the billing engine will be set up to run in the background, because usually it would handle large volume of invoices. The system can also be set up to take care of the order invoicing process of its own based on specific intervals. For this particular scenario, I will demonstrate how invoicing can be done manually, so we invoice a specific contract. First, we need to generate sales orders. For this purpose, I will use a periodic function in CRM and Contracts module called Generate Sales Orders. My goal is to invoice Ashley's contract, so I will leave order collection as it is set to basic, because that will collect all basic contracts to be invoiced. Then I will set the filters for memberships. To make sure I only create order for Ashley's contract, I will need to select a specific order. I will filter by member party, and then select the order that we've created for Ashley Baker. Normally, the filters will be set once if this is needed and used every time billing engine runs. However, most likely the filters will not be needed unless there is a need to manually intervene and invoice or credit a specific order, which is what I'm doing right now. I will confirm my selection. The next thing to do is to set the specific period I want to base my orders on. Since Ashley's contract starts today, I will select today as the period. Usually, for background execution, setting up a period rather than a specific date will be more likely. Next, I will click OK to generate sales orders. Once the system is done with generating sales orders, a message will pop up informing us about the result. Now I will navigate to Order Batch Journal to view the result. It is in CRM and Contract modules as well. The easiest way to see what the system created for us is to generate checklist. We see the result. The sales order was created for Ashley Baker. Now that sales order exists, we need to invoice it. This is another process that will usually be set up to run on its own without the need to manually trigger it. Here I want to invoice a specific order for the purpose of this demonstration, so that's why I'm doing the process manually. To invoice the order, I will click on Invoice. Once I confirm, the invoice will be created. For organizations that also use self-service portals, members can view their contact details, contracts, and invoices once they log in. Self-service portals are add-ons for Dynamics for Membership that expose parts of back-office features to members or organization managers. Another powerful feature of Dynamics for Membership is support for event management. DFM offers support to event organizer and hosts that range from only a handful of events a year to hosts organizing large number of events. Events are organized into categories that can be set up having some specifics in mind. DFM offers support for fitness, health and aquatics events, childcare, courses, or general type of events. All events can be linked to accreditation that will end up in attendee being rewarded a qualification in case of successful event completion. Step towards strengthening the bond between organizations and their members is adding multilingual support to event description and supporting setup of multimedia content for each event. This adds value to international organizations and their efforts to manage global membership population. Those organizations that opt to use DFM add-ons self-service portals can enable users to log in the portal and register for events that are open for sign-up. Depending on the setup, the member can't be asked to provide answers or upload supplemental forms. The system can also send emails to members automatically based on sign-up status change and communication preferences. If you find this video helpful, share it with your colleagues. For more information about Dynamics for Membership, check our other videos.